You may be receiving your internet through mobile Wi-Fi or mobile data, and that internet speed can be checked by using speed test app, any one of the app which you like. How do you download and install and check that one? We are going to see in this video. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Without much delay, just get into your Google Play Store on your Android phone. After going there, just search for speed test. There will be so many apps which are given through Google Play Store for free of cost, and in general this is a speed test by Ookla would be the more preferable because it is much downloaded app among all the given apps. So I'm just going and installing this one. You may download any one of that for that matter. You don't need to download this one. I'm just showing you in this video with this speed test by Ookla. You can go for some other one. This is not a marketing technique. And once it is downloaded based on your speed and internet, this would, even after downloading of 36.32 MB, will go for installation. Once it is installed, then we can check our internet speed through Wi-Fi, or even if you are having mobile data, that internet by using this one. We'll be seeing how we can do it. Now it is downloaded and installing on my mobile. It's fully installed on my Android phone, and now you can open this app from here or on your home page of your Android. You can go and open this one. Once it's open, this would show you like this, and go and just tap it next, and you have to give your permission, location permission, phone permission, give it continue, and it may ask allow speed test to access this device location. I'm giving it with while using the app, and then it may ask you to manage phone calls, allow this. After allowing all these things one more time, it will ask you to allow this one, and allow all the time, or you can go with the next one and just next. That's all. Boom. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app. That's all. And the speed test permission we have accorded with, and then you can go for next moment. See all the speed test permissions, see all the permission apps. Just that's all. Boom. I have entered into speed test now, and going ahead with speed test now. Just tap on this go. This should show you the download speed initially, and download speed of my data Wi-Fi is now 10 Mbps only, and thereafter it would go for the uploading speed. The download speed is so 10.46 Mbps, and next upload speed is 14.16 point. Like this will take an average of all this inclusive of this one, and finally it will indicate you how much is download speed, how much is upload speed. If you observe, both are the things. You can go for n number of times. You can check for next time also. Like this, you can always go and check your internet speed. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more such valuable content in the future too. See you. Bye bye.